Hi, I'm Rakesh Sharma, your sales growth partner. Lots of my clients keep complaining time to time about their inconsistent sales results, which means that they experience frequent ups and downs in their sales numbers. One month, the sales goes up and the entire team starts celebrating. But the very next month, the sales goes down and the entire team starts sulking. When I ask the reasons for these inconsistencies, I am generally told that these inconsistencies are because of the seasonal behavior of their business. But it is only a partial reality. The whole truth is something different. These inconsistencies are not because of the seasonal behavior of their business or because of the downturn of the economy. The reality is something different. The reality is that this is because of the failure of the salespeople who do not pay enough attention to prospecting. Yes, and as a result of that, their sales funnel becomes very, very weak. The pipeline becomes very thin, and as a result of that, the sales are very, very inconsistent. One month it goes up, the another month it goes down. Well, friends, this is a very common problem with most of the small and medium enterprises. They are never able to generate the sufficient number of prospects. The reason is very simple. The salespeople here are never paying the required attention to the prospecting activity. Yes, the prospecting activity. The prospecting goes down and sits to the bottom of the to-do list of these people, and they pay a least attention to the prospecting activity. As a result of that, what happens that they never have sufficient numbers in their pipeline, and it results into the inconsistencies of these sales results. Well, friends, you may be doing very well in sales, but you are never so successful that you can ignore prospecting. You have never enough number of clients that can sustain you forever. And as a result of this, the sales prospecting has to be given the topmost priority. Today, let me give you two simple tips. Tip number one, at any point of time, you need to calculate the real number of prospects you need to meet your sales targets. Yes, I am saying you need to calculate the real number of prospects which will meet your sales target. The number two and the most important tip here is that once you have calculated the number of prospects required, thereafter make sure that prospecting is on the top of your daily to-do list, and the cold calling and the prospecting becomes a regular routine habit of yours. That becomes your mantra of sales success. Once you have done this, you are definitely going to achieve your sales, and these inconsistencies will completely go out of your system. Happy selling and always enjoying the consistent sales results. If you want to know more about prospecting, let us know. You can always write a mail to us, or you can also give a telephonic call to us. We'll be more than happy to assist you at any point of time. Thank you very much and happy selling.